Aruba is located in the southern Caribbean, just off the northern coast of South America. It is 19.6 miles long and 6 miles across at its widest point, with an area of approximately 70 square miles. Aruba is a well-developed island with a high standard of living. Aruba has gone through the stages of development from agriculture, phosphate mining, aloe culture, gold mining, oil refining to tourism. Aruba's success is a story primarily based on innovation. Nowadays, Aruba enjoys a high per capita income of approximately $22,000, a growing GDP, and a demanding labor market with virtually no unemployment. The local currency is the Aruban florin, which is pegged to the US dollar at the rate $1 is 1.79 Aruban florin for the last 35 years. Last but not least, this success story is also the result of the Aruban people, who are well-educated, multilingual, a friendly workforce with a natural zest for hospitality. Since 1986, Aruba's economy had received a boost with the growth of the tourism industry, from 182,000 stayover visitors to 690,000 in 2006, with an additional 591,000 cruise tourists. Today, tourism is the main pillar of the economy. Brand names such as Hyatt, Marriott, Westin, and RIU reflect the high-quality service offered. The population has grown from approximately 60,000 in 1986 to an estimated 102,000 inhabitants in 2006. The Aruban holds a European passport, as Aruba is an autonomous entity within the Dutch Kingdom. Aruba is a parliamentary democracy with the Queen of the Kingdom as the head of state, who is represented by a governor. Government is headed by the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers, which is accountable to a 21-member parliament elected every 4 years. Aruba's judicial system operates independently of the legislative and the executive powers. Jurisdiction, including appeals, lies within the Common Court of Justice of Aruba and ultimately with the Supreme Court of Justice in the Netherlands. Education in Aruba is modeled after the Dutch system. Apart from numerous schools for primary and secondary education, there is also an international school with an American curriculum recognized by the U.S. Department of State. Apart from the availability of medical universities, there is the University of Aruba that provides a faculty of law, finance, economics, and hospitality management. Aruba provides high-quality general health insurance to all citizens. The healthcare system in Aruba is well-equipped to handle virtually every medical treatment. The hospital has medical facility with reputable staff and modern equipment. On the eastern side of the island, there is a modern medical center. Aruba is constantly renewing its infrastructure. The capital, Oranjestad, has received numerous facelifts to enhance the beauty of the city. Government has taken the important role in preserving monuments. On the environment, Aruba has reserved an area of the island as a natural park and is well dedicated to maintain the conditions of its coastal areas as well as the cleanliness of the island. One of Aruba's most important assets is the water, produced by a modern desalination plant that meets high-quality standards. You can be sure that the tap water is pure, refreshing, and safe to drink. As Aruba moves forward in the 21st century, communication will remain an important tool for its development. The local telecommunication companies offer sophisticated and competitive services to support ample investments. Aruba has designated areas as free zones, in which export-oriented commercial activities can take place under special fiscal facilities. The Free Zones Master Plan at the new cargo port of Barcadera will provide a long-term physical development strategy to consolidate its existing free zone activities. Not only commercial or industrial activities can operate in the free zone, but also services such as mechanical engineers, software developers, and business consultants who will benefit from the fiscal incentives offered by the free zone. Aruba is easily accessible. The modern Reina Beatrix International Airport was recently upgraded and expanded and enjoys the services of U.S. Customs and Border Protection pre-inspection facilities since 1987 and pre-clearance facilities since 2000. There are daily direct flights to various USA, European, and South American cities. Aruba has 3 seaports: Oranjestad, Barcadera, and San Nicolas. The cruise port is located in Oranjestad and will soon be upgraded to an ideal home port site. Barcadera will become the port for commercial activities outfitted with modern transshipment facilities and is located just east of the airport. This close proximity between the airport, harbor, and free zone will create a unique strategic hub for air and sea cargo. The third port is located in San Nicolas and is administered by the oil refining company which hosts the oil terminal. This refinery is an important sector of the economy. Established in 1986, the Central Bank of Aruba has been assigned as the public institution responsible for safeguarding financial stability. As such, the Central Bank is entrusted with the prudential supervision of all on Aruba established financial institutions. The banking system offers all modern financial services to the business community and provides access to the local and international capital market. The investment bank also conducts market research, performs feasibility studies, and provides program and project management services with the emphasis on promoting projects that are important and durable to the economic development of Aruba. Aruba is showing continuity in this success story. Government has succeeded in maintaining a healthy economic growth. Price stability is maintained, and the challenge is to ensure sustainable growth since the confidence in the local development tends to create a climate of an overheated economy. To encourage investments in specific industries, the government offers tax incentives on selective basis. These fiscal incentives are for the purpose of broadening the economic base. Quality of life, a safe environment, a growing economy, stability, and a strategic location as to world trade all make Aruba an attractive and potential investment climate. Aruba, an extension of your business.